time to make some coffee and ice cream. I'm brewing my coffee now. Alright. Wife's in the other room doing her schoolwork while I do some cooking work. I make just a banana, nothing, just a regular vanilla ice cream. And put our blades on. Get this on the scale. All right. First order of business is some milk. Very basic ice cream. Made with real ingredients. No nonsense. The whey protein, make it nice, light, and fluffy. Ain't much in here, just pour it. That's why I like the app. Just pour it, don't worry about it. Vanilla extract. Which is right over here in front of my face. This is the good stuff right here. Look how much is in here. Try and get some of this stuff at the store. It's like they say you have this much for like $15. Biggest freaking rip off on the planet. Just get the vanilla flavor and it's just as good as extract. Some regular sugar this time. I'm not using all stevia. Use some regular sugar because I cut my calories pretty good today. Ergo, I can do what I want within reason. So a little bit of regular sugar. Some people harp about, oh my god, is refined sugar, it's processed, blah, 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 blah. The body don't know the difference. The body don't know the difference. Granulated sugar or whatever, fructose corn syrup or sugar from fruit itself. It's all sugar, it's all carbohydrate. It all gets broken down into glucose, the blood glucose that the body needs for energy. All you gotta do is just watch your energy intake and you won't get fat. Some milk cubes. Boop, boop, boop. Just keep adding milk cubes until the chime. There we go. And now we blend. This is the fun part. I'm gonna put this in the freezer, let it harden up a little bit. This is where we let out all the frustrations of the day. Max speed. Done, done, done. Done, done, done right there. My little bowl. It's frozen. As usual, it's frozen every time, unless I screw up and I don't put enough frozen ingredients, or I put too much liquid. That's a very easy fix. You just add a little more of one or the other, and then there you go. This goes in the freezer. Freezer sucks, man. I hate it. All right, I'm gonna do another one. I'll be continuous in this video because why not? Keep going, boom, boom, boom. Yeah. 176 calories on that, huh? It's pretty good. Come on, I don't know what it is about. That's gotta be the plastic case on this, but okay. A little screen protector that kind of makes it weird to get to that top corner. Okay, I'm gonna make it the identical recipe for me. This is gonna be my deal. Okay, the milk. The whey, which I don't have any more of in this container. That's empty. And for me, it's not that big a deal. Some vanilla extract again. Okay. Sugar. Stevia. And that's it, it's down to the milk cubes. Oh, it helps to measure the milk cubes and see what our final product is. It's pretty much going to be about 180 calories anyway. I lost that milk cube, and that kind of pisses me off. But I'll just wash it. I just wash it and throw it right back in there. I won't die. Floor's pretty clean. Okay. Let's go for the gold once more. Vitamix will do it every time. This little S50. Now it doesn't have the whey protein in it, so it's not going to be very fluffy. Whey protein has the xanthan gum in it, which makes it fluffy, and this does not have that much of the powder, therefore it's not going to be that fluffy, but it'll still be good. Still nice and frozen. See, it's not as light and fluffy without the protein powder, but it's okay. Still yummy. Still delicious. Still better than buying the junk in that whatever the ice cream quart is. None of those idiots telling me, oh my god, it's so unhealthy, blah blah blah. It's because you use the whey protein powder and you use regular sugar. It's processed. Shut up. Shut up. I'm in better shape than you. I'm in better shape than you. Bobby don't know the difference. That's it. That's dessert for tonight.